Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing and indulgent drink that tastes like a sweet cafe treat, the iced honeycomb latte. This drink combines bold espresso, smooth milk, and the rich golden flavor of honey with crunchy honeycomb candy on top. It's creamy, lightly caramelized, and perfect for warm days or whenever you want a luxurious homemade iced coffee. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or cup strong brewed coffee, 1 tablespoon honey, cup milk whole, oat, almond, or your favorite, 1 cup ice cubes, 1-2 tablespoons crushed honeycomb candy. Optional: whipped cream or honey drizzle for garnish. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee. While it's still warm, stir in the honey until fully dissolved. Mixing the honey into the hot coffee helps the sweetness blend smoothly throughout the drink. Next, fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the sweetened espresso over the ice and give it a quick stir. Slowly pour the milk over the coffee. For a cafe-style layered look, pour the milk gently down the side of the glass. The creamy milk will swirl beautifully with the espresso and honey mixture. Now for the star ingredient, honeycomb candy. Sprinkle the crushed honeycomb pieces over the top of the latte. As they sit on the drink, they add a light crunch and a deep caramelized honey flavor. If you want an extra indulgent treat, top the drink with whipped cream and a small drizzle of honey. Serve immediately with a straw or spoon and enjoy this sweet, refreshing iced latte that perfectly balances bold coffee with golden honey sweetness. And that's how you make a delicious iced honeycomb latte right at home. It's sweet, creamy, and has that irresistible honey crunch that makes every sip feel special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coffee and dessert drinks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cozy recipe. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.